In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide LinkedIn experience. This skill is particularly useful if you're seeking to maintain a level of privacy about your job history or if you're in the midst of updating your profile. So let's get started on this straightforward process that can be done in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's head over to the LinkedIn website. Here you will need to sign in to access your profile. LinkedIn provides the convenience of signing in with Google or continuing with your existing LinkedIn account. It's a straightforward step, but do keep an eye out for a CAPTCHA verification prompt. It's just an additional security measure to ensure that you're really you. Once you've successfully signed in, look towards the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll find your profile photo. This little icon is your gateway to many settings and customization options for your account. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn allows you to control a wide array of settings related to your account's privacy and how your information is shared. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Visibility section. This aptly named tab is all about managing who sees what on your LinkedIn profile. It's the control center for your online professional persona. Within the visibility settings, look for the option labeled Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. This setting might seem a bit buried, but it's an important one. It controls whether these particular updates are broadcast to your network. Lastly, you'll see that there's a toggle associated with this setting. By default, it might be set to active, meaning your network is notified of the job changes, education updates, and work anniversaries reflected on your profile. To hide your LinkedIn experience from your network, simply turn this toggle off. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated through LinkedIn settings to ensure your experience updates are kept private, according to your preferences. Remember, while this setting controls the visibility of your job changes and educational updates, it's always a good idea to review other privacy settings to make sure your LinkedIn profile reflects exactly what you want it to. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore more of our content for additional tips and insights into managing your online presence effectively. Thanks for watching.